All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about the using other websites research method. This is actually a method whereby I use outside method. I'm outside website, not the one of I'm not going to be using Amazon to do the research. I'm just going to be using outside websites that I know I can get ideas. Now, for this method, it's not basically about the good keywords qualifier. You can find good keywords qualifiers there, but this one are more of emo kind of and funny text notebooks. Okay, if you go through Amazon, you're going to see them. Okay, so for example, if you do a search for, say, funny, let's say funny, um okay, funny Mother's Day. As you can see, these are book ideas. Okay, funny Mother's Day gifts, funny Mother's Day card. So let's say, hold on, let me see. I'm seeing something here. Okay, funny with curse words. Funny with curse word notebook. Let me see if I can come up with. If we can find something that I don't know. Okay, so life is a bit is bitter with sarcasm. Funny with curse words. Let's see. Naughty thoughts for her curse word coloring book. Oh God, what the fuck? Okay. Naughty grammar curse word search. Okay. Not making so much sales. You are an awesome volunteer. Keep that shit up. Fickety fuck. Wow. High five in the face with a chair. So you see, are you seeing this is just something I came up with now. Just show you an idea of what I'm talking about, right? Knock knock 20088. What the fuck? Nifty notes. These are coloring. Okay, these are inspirational or swear word coloring books. Swear word coloring books. Fuck it 2021 planner. You can see it's selling well. So course words work. So what search for mom? Okay, that's on advert. So is it started by Jeeps and pig and dogs? Adorable, adorable swearing cats. Okay, so get shit done planner. Nice. All right, so that's just an idea that these ones is not. For me, it's not just about searching. Oh, does this one qualify for the this and that? You see, it's even 32. Funny with crossword, funny with crossword notebook, or funny crossword notebook, kind of. Then you see the average is not even high, but we're seeing people doing sales from it. Okay, um, okay, or let me say emo, uh, emo notebook. Let me see emo notebooks. Okay, 9,000 places to hide the body. Work notes. Chaos coordinator. Shamrock. My list of things I was right about. Easily inspired by Gibson. Audi, I'm a badass with a good ass. How nice. How funny. Brilliant ideas of a spreadsheet wizard. Now, as you can see, all these, you see, they are really, really bad. These are not good covers actually. You can't fix crazy, but you can document it. See, this less than 300, 425. You see, all these funny, as easy as they are selling, right? They are selling, and it's not even, they don't even have a good rank, but they are selling. So for me, so you see adult emo notebook, funny notebook, sarcasm emo journal. So those are type of keyword that people search for on Amazon. So if you can find something beautiful or something mind blowing, then there's possibility that our books will sell. So how do I come up with these ideas? Okay, using this, I now use this website research method to come up with them. So the number one site I use, it's not number one, these are all the sites I use anyways. Redbubble, Love Kayla magazines, Thoughtful, Love Kayla designs. That's their Facebook handle. I think that's where I get. I can't remember going to their website. They're Crazy Fabrica, then Pinterest. Okay, so I'm going to go to each one of them to explain how I use them for you. Okay. All right. So Creative Fabrica, or what I was starting with was starting with Redbubble. All right, so Redbubble. Okay, so this is Redbubble website. So Redbubble website is actually a what I can't a print on demand website. I think that's what they do. So now why I come to this website is to see ideas that people are using to create their print on demands. Okay, so I go to clothing. I can use clothing. I can use stationery. See, you see, spiral notebooks. So what I'll do here is if I see some email titles, I can okay look, hang on, let me overthink this. It's actually one of the relevant, but I will not use most relevant. I will just put a cursor here and I'll put on the best selling. So let me see what I'm going to see. Okay, so okay, hang on, let me overthink this. That's the gay agenda. Yeah, somehow I manage. Okay, let's find a cure for stupid people. So I'm not seeing something that is eye popping here, okay? I'm not seeing something that is eye popping here. And you see we are seeing orange flower pattern here again. Those seeking Jehovah will lack nothing good. Okay. I survived another meeting that should have been an email. Okay. That's an idea for a book, a notebook that I can create. So let's just okay. My plan for world domination, but I'm trying anyway. I have an idea what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm trying anyway. So this is an idea I can actually emulate, create something better, and put it on Amazon. Women belong in all places where decisions are being made. So this is another one I can model to put on Amazon. The best life ever. I've seen a lot of these kind of books on Amazon. So all I just need to do is look for a unique idea. I will never leave you and I will never abandon you. That's another one I can use and make it beautiful. So for example, for that sunflower, I can do a sunflower design, then put this quote in the middle. Okay. So, like I'm telling you, what I'm trying to tell you is all about you being able to think outside the box and create something unique out of nothing, okay? Because out of all, no, so not even out of nothing, yes, you can do it out of nothing, but the truth is you can actually create something unique out of all the materials you're seeing online. First, I drink the coffee, then I do the things. So I can do, yes, first, I sip my coffee, then I do the damn thing. I can do that. I can do first I sip my tea or first I sip my liquor, that kind of thing, right? These are ideas you can actually create and put it on Amazon, then make sales from it, all right? So this the clothing side, I can go to all clothings. So all clothings, let's go to men's. You can also do other categories. Let's go to men's. See, so we're seeing all this. So come here and do the best selling. I can check the best selling, I can check the trending, whatever, just to generate ideas. So when I'm coming up with these ideas, I'm just jotting them down to see how I can create something. Look at this angle, let's me overthink this. That's the idea we saw on the book, right? So not motherfucker. Okay, I don't know whether surely not everybody was kung fu fighting. Okay, this I can actually put it on a book on Amazon. I'm not an expert on COVID-19, but this is my cure. Okay, the goodness. Okay, so that's exactly how I'm going to come up with email ideas. I post my game to be here, so I can say I post my gist to be here. Just think of something close to this, and before you know it, in my defense, I was left unsupervised. So this is I can do this can be my sketchbook. This can be a sketchbook idea. Okay, this can be a sketchbook idea. Um, who knows? This might actually fly. In my defense, I was left unsupervised, so that can be a sketchbook. Can actually be a notebook too. Introverts unite separately in your own homes. This can actually be a book for introvert gift idea or introvert book gifts. Those are ideas because now you need to understand something that some most of the notebooks, if they are not students, if they are not for business, some of them are actually gifts for people. So when you come up with these funny things, ideas, it's easy for you to just make it a gift idea for that audience. Okay, so that's for that. And then magazines. So let's go to magazines and see. So what I use magazines for is to generate ideas, because there are lots of, because this is the truth. Every magazine out there, they are there because they have been well researched and they realize that they have a huge audience. All right. So you can see recipe. You can have create a recipe book. You can create a gardening planner. Okay, better home and garden planner. You can do all these traditional home. Okay, don't see there food and wine planner, or food and wine tasting planner, or food and wine tasting journal, hotel travel journals. You can do all this because all these things, these are people that are enthusiastic about all these topics. That is why they have magazines on them. So if you take advantage of this and go into a little bit of more research, check if there are books like that and they are doing well. Some of them might not be doing well, some of them might be doing, some of them might not even see them at all. But when you try these ideas and create a beautiful cover, you see people picking them up because they are enthusiasts. Somebody that has a food and that is in love with food and wines can actually want a journal to write the experience. Okay, somebody that's a travel enthusiast can actually have a journal to write his own or our experience. So that's just how I use when I run out of ideas, I'll just come here and I'll start looking at magazines to see what I can create. Okay, that's just basically what I do here. If I run out of ideas or I'm feeling lazy, I don't want to start from all the from scratch. I'll just come here, generate ideas, and go to Amazon to see if I can find something great out there. Then this Love Kayla, Love Layla Designs. So if you just go to their page, they actually create cards and they have some crazy email on there. So look at, thanks for being my go-to friend to discuss this as annoying as fuck tendencies of practically anyone. So for me, I can say thanks for being my go-to friend when I'm angry, right? Or when I need to tell you what's bothering me. That might be my the email I'll put on my book cover, then put a friend image there. Then that would be like a gift for bestie, gift for bestie notebook kind of idea. Okay, and if you come to this shop, you're going to also see a lot of their designs. Okay, so look at this is a number, maybe more. So now, please, when you're generating these ideas, if you notice, I've not been saying just copy and paste, okay? Because I don't want you to just go and infringe on people's copyrights, okay? I love cuddling with you after a long day. Okay, that's an idea that I can use to create my own notebook. So this can be a lover's gift. This can be a lover's gift notebook. Okay, you had me at that. So these are just ideas. Okay, because these ones are emo notebooks. Okay, or emo journals and all that. So sometimes I don't even do so much research to see if there's opportunity, but sometimes I also do the research to see that okay, maybe there's somebody that is doing this thing already and the person is making a clean out of it. I've found different niches this way that on the normal day through the normal research I might not find them, and I've killed it. So that's why I'm showing you all these websites that you can use. Okay, so thoughtful is another website. It's a greeting card website. So you just come here and see what. Congratulations on your lovely new home. I can't wait to overstay my welcome. Okay, so that's a funny one. Okay, so let's see this letter box. Oh no, this letter box gift card. No, I don't want that. Okay, let's see. All this gift, you can see something there, but let's go to birthdays and look at funny. Okay, so let's see the funny quotes there. Okay, so from all these sites you can come out with ideas. I was going to buy you a really expensive gift, but Martin Lewis told me to save my money instead. Well, I don't know Martin Lewis. I don't know if Martin Lewis. I don't know if that's a copyrighted name. I don't know. So I will probably just stay away from that. It's your birthday hip replacement. That's probably a notebook for an older person or something. Congrats for keeping yourself alive this long. Okay, so I'm just going to keep saying, okay, look at this. Look at this slappy birthday. Look, I hope your birthday is a hit. this is off the Will Smith trend. Obviously, I will not use the guy's name there because that will be copyrighted. Obviously, I predict a hangover. Happy birthday. So all these ideas, you can actually use them to create an email notebook, an email journal, and make a lot of shitload of dollars from them. All right. So now let me go to Creative Fabrica. Let me show you how I use Creative Fabrica. So Creative Fabrica is actually a website we're going to talk about later, but I'm going to talk about it here just to show you how I use it to generate new ideas. So you come to craft, no, you come to graphics, come to Kindle Interiors. Now, basically, what Creative Fabrica is a website where people post their interiors, they post their graphics, and they want to sell it, their craft fonts. You can buy fonts here. You can get vectors here to design. You can get images to design your interior and all that. So and you can also get interior KDP interiors already designed here. And you can look at this. You can actually even get profitable keyword ideas. I don't use them anyways. I've never got anyone here. So what I'll do here is I'll come to my popularity and I'll sort by latest. Why am I doing that? Because I believe if somebody is posting the latest here, there might actually be a way to make money off it because probably it's a new idea. You look at this oral coloring book, long hair client, Edic journal, dragon coloring book, dinosaur journal, black women coloring book, cut and paste. You see that autograph book interior. So for me now, I can decide, okay, oral coloring book. No, I don't do coloring book much, so I'm not going to use that. So edit journal. I'm trying to see if something memory book. Okay, gold visualization journal. So let's go and I'll search for so goals visualization journal. So we'll see what comes out 2000. Okay, so let's see what comes out here. Okay, so here, goals visualization journal 36, not so good, 1 million, not 1.3, not so good. But you get the idea. If you okay, I saw something here. I saw something here that looked like something we saw. I'm not seeing. I'm not seeing it here again. So there was a book I saw that looked like something I saw in on Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica, okay. So my vision board, kids daily prayer journal. You see that kids daily prayer journal. So let's see if we can get something on that. All right. So the kids daily prayer journals. I did it. It was very high. I added girls. It was still very high. Then I added black girls. Okay. So kids daily prayer journals black girl. Kids daily prayer journal black girl magic. Okay. So as you can see, we saw it from Creative Fabrica. So sometimes I just go through this page to see if I can find something that I've not done before. Then I'll check it on Amazon to see if it's worth my time. Okay, so that's how I use Creative Fabrica. Then Pinterest too. I can go to Pinterest and do a search. So for example, the one we saw earlier, we saw when we're doing the research, we saw lawyer. So I might say lawyer funny coach. Then when I find something, I'll just create it. Then that will be if I find something that pops, something that is intriguing, a quote here that's intriguing or a statement that's intriguing, I can then use that to create my funny quote notebooks or journal. So that's basically how I use all these websites to get new ideas to create books on. So see you in the next video.